Congressman Bong Suntay has apologized for his remarks about Ann Curtis, and yet he insists that his, quote, analogy was not meant to be malicious. Here is that report.
Quezon City 4th District Congressman Bong Suntay has apologized for his controversial remarks, including actress Ann Curtis. Suntay, however, stood by his analogy, emphasizing that his remarks had no malice.
While may mga tao siguro that found the analogy in bad taste, doon sa mga na-offend, tayo'y inuulit ko, walang malis doon sa nanais nating gawin doon sa statement na yun. Ayaw natin makasakit through that analogy, but kung may nasaktan, humihingi tayo ng dispensa. Kay Miss Ann Curtis rin, kung nasaktan siya sa sinabi, there was, ulitin ko, there was no malice intended at tayo humihingi ng dispensa sa kanya. Hindi tayo perfectong tao. Kung maling analogy, hindi nagustuhan ng iba, well, sorry dun sa mga hindi nakagusto. But actually, in fact, that analogy was effective dahil hindi nyo ako papansinin kung hindi binigay yung analogy na yun.
Several public figures, including Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte, actresses Jasmine Curtis Smith and Nadine Lustre, criticized the remarks and called for Suntay to be reprimanded. Even Palace Press Officer Claire Castro described the comment as offensive.
Dapat pa bang ipagpasalamat na ang lalaki ay nag-iisip ng malaswa sa iyong pagkababae? Magkaiba ba yun? Kung ordinaryong tao ang gagawa o ang tao ay supposed to be isang honorable.
In an interview with 1PHS sa Totoo Lang, Justice Committee Vice Chairman Representative Bel Zamora said Suntay should apologize without any conditions and any other statement.
To tell you frankly, I did not hear his apology. I heard about him apologizing, but ang sabi sa akin kumbaga may sinisi pa, may sinabi pang iba, and for people who apologize, that amounts to a non-apology. Hindi pwedeng nag-apologize ka na may sisihin ka pa or may sasabihin ka pang ibang bagay aside from your apology, di ba?
She added that before adjourning Wednesday's session, she moved to refer his conduct to the Committee on Ethics.
For us, lumabag siya sa proper decorum, sa ethical standards that should be exhibited by a congressman.